these 4 large food container storage by Lifewit, and they hold up to 6 liters each. And that will hold over 8 pounds of flour too. I like that they're see-through because that way you're able to differentiate what's inside there. Is it oatmeal, flour, sugar, beans, and so much more. And they're also labeled here as well, so you're able to see how much you still have and when it's time to purchase more. You're also going to be receiving these 4 measuring cups that measure 1 cup each, but it's also measured 1/4, half a cup, 3/4 cup as well. And this just makes it so much easier to scoop things as you need it. They've also provided these labels too, so you can put it on here so you're able to know what the difference of the items are. Because you know, some items just look so similar. For example, salt and sugar. You don't want to mix those two. Here's a close-up of what the storage containers look like. And as you can see, it's measured 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liters. And it also has these easy to remove lids. And the lids also have a gasket too. That's going to make it stay fresher, longer, and it also makes it moisture resistant as well. You're also going to be receiving 4 of these measuring cups, and they're also marked 1/4, half, 3/4, and 1 cup. You're also going to receive these 8 labels and this marker too. That way you can easily mark what's inside each of these containers. Another nice feature is they are stackable. So it's going to take up less room in your pantry. And you can also even use this in the refrigerator as well as the freezer too. Perfect. These are made of BPA-free, high-quality plastic. And they're temperature resistant between 32 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. They're also waterproof too and heat resistant. And you're going to be able to use these for many, many years. I was sent these from Lifewit to evaluate and I absolutely love it. And they're also very easy to clean too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.